feels kind of big. Oh shit. He was bigger than I thought. I thought he was a little one.
Well, he's a big one.
Yeah, he's
A male.
Okay, Sean. Good bass. Sorry, guys. Yeah, he's a good size. Let me go over here.
I'll follow you.
Let me measure him for you guys. It's the first catch of the day. It's 14 inches, guys. Let me see. You guys can see that. Yep. 14 incher. I'll just swing them open. You're taking too long. Got him.
Woo! You're really flopping.
Because he was trying to wrap me around a rock. I had to bring him in. He wasn't that big.
He has some cataracts.
Yeah, as it was coming down. What I was telling Patty guys is as in a drop shot, sometimes on the way down they'll bite it. And I was talking to Patty and I wasn't paying attention, but as soon as I looked up my line, I was going sideways. Something took my bait. And luckily I caught him on time. It is 12 inches. 12? Yeah, he's 11 and a half. 11 and a half. Gotta let him go. Uh-oh.
Got him. Aww.
You see that, guy? Got hooked him. Might be able to get him out. Have to go get the pliers. I did this on my other video and was able to get it out. Not all the time you're going to be able to take out a gut hook. If I can't take this out, I'm going to have to bring him home. Because I don't want to waste fish. He's just going to die. So hopefully be able to save the day. I think his this one. Can you dig down there? On the very bottom. You feel it? Patty's here today, so I have some help. Yeah, because if I can't get this out, we'll have to take them home so you don't waste a fish. He's just gonna die. Look, guys, it's kind of. Wow, got it out. Looks okay to me.
It's still moving around strong.
Let them go so give them a chance to grow.
I'll put it in.
You want to release him? You want to try it?
I'll let you release him. Okay.
There he goes. Well, he was kind of struggling, but it looked like he woke up from it. Is that
Oh, he's swimming.
okay?
Yeah, he's upright.
I feel good about myself. Save a fish. Okay, guys, going home. Catch of the day. At least didn't get skunked. Earlier I had to let go of the small one. He lives another day.